Do you feel that life is a dance and that you are in perfect rhythm with it, but that you've been missing that vital sense of adventure? So this is your call to an adventure of a lifetime. So what is a Magnificent Life Dance Adventure? It is a workshop-style adventure where we observe how aligned you are with your core purpose and the supporting physical, social, mental, and emotional quadrants of your life. Simple theory and how it applies to your magnificent life. It has a cognitive component, simple theory of how it applies to your life, with easy to understand supporting material. It also has a visceral component. So this is specifically designed dances to help you renovate the quadrants of your magnificent life model in such a way that those memories and renovations are anchored in your body, where knowledge becomes wisdom, never to be forgotten. The benefits of a Magnificent Life Dance Adventure pilot project are many, but just to name a few. You form valuable friendships with like-minded people who are all on the same quest as you. In addition to the 1 weekend per month workshop, you'll also have a 1-hour muse session with me, and you'll also receive a map and a journal to assist you on your journey of a magnificent life. Here then is your personal invitation to register to join in the Magnificent Life Dance Adventure Pilot Project. So having been a qualified facilitator of the modality that we'll be using, biodanza, for the last 25 years, this is indeed the first time that it will be offered in this particular format. And therefore a pilot project is being put together. To help you decide if this is for you, there will be a free introductory event Wednesday evening, the 16th of February between 6 and 9 in Brooklyn, Pretoria. Here we will have an introduction to some of the theory. We will dance some of the sample dances together, and we will connect and answer all questions related to what you can expect, to your commitment, exchange possibilities even.